Today I will be talking to you about 3D printing. 3D printing has been around for almost 30 years. The large ones cost between $2,000 and $5,000. The small ones range from $200 to $700. Now 3D printing is a way for art and technology to collide, and we will do this in our art classroom today. I will be explaining the process and you will be choosing which program you would like to use. I will be explaining 3D Paint and 3D Builder.
Hello, I'm going to show you how to use 3D Paint. So you're going to go to the Windows button. I'm using Windows 10. You press the button and you look for 3D Paint. And if you can't find it, it's easier to search in the search bar. 3D Paint 3D. There we go. Now you're going to choose the new option once it loads. Now after you have chosen the new option, you go to 3D Shapes. Now you can choose an object. I'm going to choose the sphere and click and drag it onto the screen. You can manipulate the objects by using this. Of course it's a sphere, so it's a little hard to see. Or you can put it in and out of space. You can also rotate it. Now I'm going to undo this and show you a different shape. You can do the same. You can also move it by holding your mouse down, back and forth, and you can rotate it like this. And you can rotate it in this direction. You can also move it up and back on the plane. You can also go to 3D Doodle and you can make your own shape. I'm going to try to make a cloud. It'll transform your doodle for you. And there my cloud is. You can turn it around, just like you did the other 3D objects. Now to the actual 3D printing part. You go to Menu and you go to Print. And you have the option to 2D print and 3D print. I do not currently have a 3D printer, but this will show you how.
Okay, we are going to look at 3D Builder, which is a little bit more of an advanced version of Paint 3D. You'll go to the little Windows button and you will find 3D Builder. Now again, you can look for it manually or you can type it down here. 3D Builder. It's right there underneath Paint 3D. Now once it loads, you're going to choose the New Scene button. This works almost the same way as Paint 3D, but you have a few more options, and you can see the actual plane on which your 3D objects can be placed. Now you can bring it up and down through the plane, and it shows you the X, Y, and Z axis, which are the planes that the object moves on. You can rotate it as well. You can turn it this way, all the way around, 100, go to 180 degrees, 360. You can also add other objects. They have more options on this one, and you can move it closer to your cube over there, if you would like. You can rotate it like all the other objects. You have the option to change the color and paint it. And you can also spray paint it and make it look like, if you need it, an office space or a table. It does have a lot more options than the Paint 3D. And you can see that you can see all the angles and dimensions. It's the longitude, the latitude, the width, height, everything. It's 3D print. And you can order a print online, or you can access your local 3D printer.